surprise egg. I think it's Elsa. And let's get started. You got candy capsules and stickers.
Well,
I'm a gumball.
so we'll be right back, and there's going to be a new person here.
We'll be right back, and there's going to be a new
Person here.
person here. Bye-bye.
Who's going to hold it?
I am. I want to hold it.
I'm going to sit.
I'm failing.
Do I have to hit the blue button?
Hey, this is a surprise egg. Let's get started. Use scissors.
Get the scissors, Ash. Get them, hurry up.
Now we have stickers. We got Elsa and Anna, Olaf, Anna by herself,
Nice.
and Elsa.
Ooh.
And also
So
we
I
got
squeeze the pimple so hard my cheeks
candy
swollen.
castles.
I never get pimples on my face. And when I do,
Bye.
fucking